Once you have successfully generated a 3D model in 3ds Max of the urban fabric of your desired location, you are able to 3D print it. And in order to do that, this 3ds Max model needs to be exported to an appropriate file type, which is referred to as stereolithography or .stl. However, you're not able to export the entire file as a .stl. You can only export specific components. For example, if you want to print a set of buildings, then you can select that specifically, or you can just click on roads and export them to STL, and when you 3D print, only the roads will show up. However, for the purposes of understanding the concept in this video, let's just assume we want to print the whole model that we have generated. In order to do that, you press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything in the model, and then go to the menu bar of 3ds Max, click on File, go to Export. And I can understand that in this instance, export selected options makes sense because we're picking specific components. However, in the past I've faced problems with this because when you try to save it as a specific type, there's no .stl format here which we are after. But if you go to just File, Export, and the first option instead of the second one, you can see stereolitho is present here. So we're going to select that, give a file name, so Urban Fabric Bandura, then hit save, and it will ask you to enter an object name before exporting the STL file. So let's just name it Bandura Urban Fabric and click OK. So by now our file should have exported properly, which I can see in desktop. If I open this .stl file, you can see that all the components that we selected from the 3D model is ready to be printed in 3D. So it has properly converted to .stl.